Go to fakeinfo.net. Scroll down and in the Social Media Tools section click on the Twitter Tweet Generator button. On the Twitter Tweet Generator page, you get 2 view options for generating the fake screenshot. Choose the view option as per your requirement. On the left side, you get all options to generate a fake Facebook post screenshot. You can hide the header and footer from here. Add or remove the verified account icon. Change the name and username. Upload the profile picture. Type the message. Set time. Change retweets count. Change likes count. In the live preview section, you can see your post is ready to download. Now click on the download button to download the screenshot.